Hi, I'm Ash. I work as a product marketing manager for software integrated business at Synopsys. I chose UCLA Anderson for my MBA primarily for three reasons. I used to work in R&D before coming to UCLA, and I wanted to switch into product marketing and product management roles. And the classes I have taken at UCLA, it has helped me to be able to switch into my current role from my previous R&D role. The second reason was the kind of flexibility the hybrid option provided. So I was able to the learnings at my own pace plus the live instruction format that fit perfectly into my schedule. And the third reason was the global opportunities. Like UCLA Anderson has global immersions, global exchange, global access program built into the structure of the program. And I have been able to go on a global immersion, and it was one of the best experience I have had so far in the program. And I just finished my global access program as well, and it was like being able to apply all the things you have learned in those classes into a real life uh, business problem, helping a real company. It's been a great learning opportunity. I remember my interview day. I was telling Dylan that Gap was one of the main reasons I was also applying to UCLA for. And the structure of the program is very similar to a consulting project. And I wanted to push myself uh, to learn about something completely new. For my Gap project, I worked for a Scandinavian company in agriculture technology space, developing a go-to-market strategy for them. Uh, I had no idea how innovative and research-focused U.S. agriculture space is, and I like after this project, I feel myself that as an expert in this industry, and this has been a great learning experience, like applying marketing, financial, and strategy lessons, which I learned in the class directly in this particular scenario, and developing a solid go-to-market plan for our company, our client. So I've just completed my GAP program, as I mentioned, and I'm excited to take forward a lot of learnings into my career. Two of them I would want to highlight is that one, the classes I took really gave me that foundation I need to be able to apply into any business scenario. And the second most important lesson is like how to lead in situations where you do not have direct authority. GAP is a team project and 6 month long grueling project where you are working full time and balancing your personal and family time is a huge challenge. And add pandemic on top of that, where you are meeting with your advisor, your team, your client virtually only. It's easy to feel burnt out. And I really commend that I had a great team and how we all were able to push our boundaries and deliver a great project without direct authority is a lesson that will remain with my life in anywhere I go. I'm honored to be selected by the faculty as a Voice of FEMBA for GAP. I hope my story encourages you to push yourself to become that well-rounded leader you want to be. Maybe explore a program like GAP or MBA can help you achieve your career dreams.